Affirm, a buy now, pay later service, lets you split purchases into 0 to 36% APR installments, often 0% for qualifying plans, at participating retailers like Walmart, Target, or Best Buy. For in-store use, leverage the Affirm app, iOS or Android, to generate a virtual card or use the physical Affirm card, free upon approval. Minimums start at $50 to $100, limits up to $17,500 based on eligibility. No hard credit check. Approval is instant via soft pull. Late fees up to $8 apply if missed. Download Affirm app. Install from App Store or Google Play. Sign up or log in with email, phone, and basic info. Name, DOB, SSN, last four. Link a bank or debit card for repayments. Shop at retailer. Browse in-store. Confirm Affirm acceptance. Look for signage or ask cashier. Total must qualify. For example, 50 pluses at Walmart. Generate virtual card. In app, tap Card. Get virtual card or shop in-store. Enter purchase amount. App creates a one-time Visa number, expiry, CVV. Pay at checkout. Provide virtual card details to cashier or tap via Apple or Google Pay if added. Affirm pays merchant upfront. First payment due immediately. Physical card method. Apply for card. In-app, request the free physical Affirm card. Arrives 7 to 10 days. Virtual available instantly. Pre-authorize spend. In-app, set a spending limit, like $200, and choose plan, pay in 4 or monthly. Swipe at register. Use like a debit card. Select Affirm plan post-swipe if prompted. 24-hour window. Tips. Track payments in-app. Set alerts. Returns adjust plans via retailer. Not all stores support in-store. Check affirm.com. For issues, chat support 24/7. Use responsibly to build credit.